Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn exercise 1.1 of integers, chapter 1. But before getting into this exercise, you better watch our integers part 1 video. Then only you can easily understand the concept and can do problems more confidently by yourself. Okay, come to the first question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. See the number line. You know the number line, right? 0. Right hand side all the positive numbers. Left hand side all the negative numbers. But this number line deals with the degree Celsius. So, negative number shows the coldest area and positive number shows the hottest area. See, all the city names they have given with the degree Celsius. See here, 0, 5, 10, like that it is going. But in between 0 and 5, we can plot like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that we can make our own points here. These are all 1 lines are degrees. Now observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. First we have to observe the number line. How many cities? 5 cities they have given. Write the temperatures of the places marked on it. First they have given Lahore Spiti. What is the temperature here? Left side it is there. So negative, it is the coldest part. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 degrees Celsius. This is -8 degrees Celsius. Now second one is Srinagar. Srinagar means 0, -1. This is -1, -2. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Now come to Shimla. Shimla already nicely plotted. It is 5 degrees Celsius. Now Ooty. What is Ooty's temperature? This is 10 and this is 15. In between 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 degrees Celsius. Now come to Bangalore. Bangalore 20 and 25. In between it is plotted. So 21, 22. 22 degrees Celsius. That's all. This is the answer for the first question. Now come to the second question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? See, the temperature difference. Difference means what? We need to subtract the number. Subtract two numbers from the biggest to the lowest. Temperature difference between the hottest, which is the hottest climate city here? Bangalore. And the coldest places among the above is, of course, Lahore Spiti. So we need to minus Bangalore degree Celsius to Lahore Spiti's degree. So what is Bangalore's degree? 22 degrees Celsius and Lahore Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. We will see this in paper. Okay. Now Bangalore 22 degree is our hottest place. Bangalore equal to 22 degrees Celsius. Now coldest place. Which is coldest? The negative degrees are coldest. From our number line, Lahore Spiti is coldest. So Lahore Spiti equal to 8 -8 degree Celsius. Now they are asking what difference between hot and cold. This is our hottest city and this is our coldest city. We are going to find the difference of temperature between the two cities. Always difference means subtraction. Subtraction. Difference means subtraction. So hottest place minus coldest place. Hottest place is 22 degree minus Lahore Spiti. Cold place is -8 degrees Celsius. So -8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 22 degree. See, like signs. We need to add here. So minus into minus is plus 8 degree, which is equal to 30 degree Celsius. To C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? What is Lahul Spiti's temperature? -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Here also they are asking about difference. C subdivision. Again in C they are asking for difference. Difference between Srinagar and Lahul Spiti temperature. So what is Srinagar temperature? It is -2 degree Celsius. See here, 2 degree, -2 degrees Celsius, and Lahul Spiti is -8 degree. So already it's a difference. So subtraction we are doing, minus Lahul Spiti temperature is 8 degrees Celsius, which is equal to -2, minus into minus is plus 8, which is equal to, see, unlike signs in addition, unlike signs, negative, positive, we have to subtract our answers. So just subtract from the bigger number. 8 minus 2 gives you 6 degrees Celsius. This is the difference between Srinagar and Lahul Spiti. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? See, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together means sum. We need to see, is it less than the temperature at Shimla? Next subdivision question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? We need to compare this with Srinagar temperature also. For D, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Together means addition, sum. We need to add the numbers. So Srinagar is -2 degree and Shimla is 5 degree. Let us do this. So -2 degree plus 5 degree Celsius, which is equal to, see, unlike signs. Unlike signs means we need to subtract. So 5 minus 2 gives you 3 degrees Celsius. Second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Okay, in 2. Jack's score in 5 successive rounds. These are all the numbers they have given. The question is, what was his total at the end? So we need to add. Total means we are going to add all the numbers, all the 5 successive rounds scores. So let us add this. 25 plus into minus is -5 plus into minus is -10 plus 15 plus 10. If you see like this, you just add all the positive and negative separately. See here, this 25, 15 plus 10. You just group it like this, then -5, -10. See, add all the positive numbers. So 25 plus 15 is 40, 40 plus 10 is 50. Now add these two things, 5, 10. So if you add, we will get 15 minus 15. This symbol here is, sign is minus. So minus 15. 50 minus 15 gives you 35. That's all. This is our answer. Jack's total score at the end is 35. Now come to the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degree on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. That means again dropped lesser than 5 degree, -5 degree on Monday. So we need to add -5 degree with -2 degree Celsius. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. That means it increased. So plus 4. What was the temperature on this day? That is Wednesday. See, third question. The temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius and Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. So dropped means negative. Dropped means negative and rose means positive. See, if we are dealing with negative and positive numbers, if it is up means positive, down means negative number. Similarly, dropped means negative number and rise means it is positive side. So, Monday temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Tuesday again dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So, what is the Tuesday's temperature? So, Monday it is 5 degree. It again dropped. So, with this only it dropped by 2 degree. Not 2 degree. You just write minus 2 degrees Celsius. See? Like signs, if you see like signs, we need to add it. So this is 5 plus 2 is 7, but the sign here is minus in both the numbers. So 7 degrees Celsius. This is our answer for Tuesday. Now come to Wednesday. Wednesday it rose by, see, with the before day temperature only we are comparing. So with the Monday temperature, Tuesday it dropped. So now take the Tuesday temperature here. It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So with the Tuesday temperature, it rose. So it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So see the signs here, minus and plus. So we need to subtract. So 7 minus 4 gives us 3 degrees Celsius. But the bigger number sign is minus. So we need to give minus here. So Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Wednesday is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 120 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? This is called vertical. Standing line means vertical. In this we are going to calculate distance between the two objects, plane and the submarine. Okay, before getting into this we will see some simple example. Consider this as a staircase. Okay, if you are in 5th stair and your friend is in 3rd stair, how much stairs he or she has to climb to come to 5th stair? How we will, by looking itself it is easy to calculate only 1 and 2 stairs. But how to calculate, we will see here. See, you are in 5th stair and your friend is in 3rd stair. So we are going to see the difference. What is the difference between you and your friend? If you minus, difference means subtraction. 2 stairs. Okay, this is the formula always. If you are going to calculate the distance between the two things, two objects, whatever it is, it must be the difference. So here also we are going to calculate the difference between plane and the submarine. What is the plane? Plane is at 5,000 meter positive, because from 0 it is going upward. Upward means positive. Downward means negative. Normally in integers, 0 with all the numbers on the right hand side is positive, all the numbers on the left hand side is negative. So similarly it is going down. So submarine distances, it is minus 1200 meter down. So we are going to find the difference between these two. Difference between these two things. So let us see. 5,000 minus, what is the submarine distance? Submarine is at minus 1200, 1200 meter, which is equal to 5,000 minus into minus plus 1,200, which is equal to, see, 6,200 meter. The distance between the two objects, plane and the submarine, is 6,200 meter. Fifth question. Mohan deposits rupees 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1,642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. It is easy. If you deposit means it is a positive integer, and if you withdraws means it is negative integer. Find the balance means we need to subtract the withdrawal amount from the deposit amount. See, fifth question. In a bank, the integers works well. See, if you are having an account in a bank, your opening balance is always 0. From 0 only it will start, right? So if you are depositing any money in your account, it is always added with your balance, okay? But if you are withdrawal, taking out any cash from your account, they will minus the amount from your total deposit, okay? So while considering here, we are dealing with positive and minus at a stretch. So here balance, what is the balance? So deposited amount is 2000. Withdrawal amount is, we need to minus this 1642. So which is equal to rupees. We need to subtract this from this. What is the answer we are getting? 358 rupees. This is your balance. Okay. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometer east from a point A to the point B. So from A to B, she goes 20 kilometer. So what's her starting point? A. If A is the starting point, what is the number will be here? 0. Always the starting point is 0. So Rita goes from A to B towards east is 20 kilometer. Okay, we plotted. From B, she moves 30 kilometer towards the west along the same road. So we need to count this 20 also. She moved 10 kilometer to make it 30 kilometer. So from B, she is starting and going to west. So her ending point, we are taking it as C. It may be anything. So 30 kilometers she moved. She came back all the way from B to A and 10 kilometer extra to reach to have her 30 kilometer. Now the question, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west? See, in an integer line, if 0 is the point here, the numbers, all the numbers on the right hand side of the 0 is positive integers. Similarly, the left hand side of the 0 is negative integers. So the answer for this question is negative integer. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? See, Rita starting at a point A. So starting point is always 0. Here she is starting and she is going all the way from A to B towards east 20 kilometer. So this is 20 kilometer. Now see, in integer number line we are dealing with the positive numbers in the right hand side, right? So these are all to reach, this is 5, 10, 15 and this B is 20. Okay, so 20 kilometer. In the left hand side, we are dealing with negative numbers. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. It will go like this. See, after reaching B, she decided to go back in the west direction. Also, she planned to go 30 kilometer. Okay. What she is doing? From B, she is starting. So, she came all the way from B to A. So already she finished here 20 kilometer. She needs to move another 10 kilometer to make it 30. So she came 30 kilometer again from B to, we can give this as C. Okay, consider this point as a See, so where she reached? Minus 10. If the distance towards east is represented by the positive integer, how will you represent the distance travelled west? If this is positive integer means this is of course negative integer. Okay. By which integer you represent her final position from A. So from A we will represent her number by minus 10. Integer by minus 10. So her final position is at minus 10. Seventh question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. See, these are all rows. These are all columns. And these are diagonals. We need to check whether if we add all the rows, if we add row by row, it will give you the same sum. If we add column by column, it will give you the same sum. Similarly, diagonal also, it will give you the same sum. See, seventh question, first subdivision. See, it's a magical square. We are going to find whether it is magical or not. See, these are all rows this way. If you count this way, these are all rows. Row counting. First row, second row, third row. And this way, it is column. If you count like this, 5 minus 5 plus 0, it is column. These are all diagonals. Diagonals. This cross is diagonals. Okay. Now we are going to add all the numbers row wise, column wise and diagonal wise. Whether we are going to find whether it is magical square. If it is equal, having equal answer in all the places, we are going to tell it is a magical square. Let us see how. Okay. 5 plus of minus 1. Row wise I am doing. Plus of minus 4. Similarly, minus 5 plus of minus 2. Just we are adding. We are not doing anything. We are adding. 0 plus 3 minus 3. Now, equal to, see here, 5 minus into plus, minus 1, plus into minus, minus 4, which is equal to 5 minus 5. See, 5. Like sign we need to add. So, minus 1, minus 4 makes minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now, minus 5 plus into minus is minus 2 plus 7. And the like signs always. So, 5, 2 has have minus sign. So, 5, 2 means minus 7. Minus 5 plus of minus 2 is minus 7 plus 7, which is equal to 0. This is 3 minus 3. This is also gives you 0. So, in the row, we got all the answers 0. Let us see in the column wise also. We will see here. Column, we are going to add 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0, which is equal to 5 minus 5, because plus into minus equal to 0. Now, second column, minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus into minus plus 3, which is equal to, see, this is minus minus, so minus 3. We need to add like signs. Plus 3, which is equal to 0. We are also getting 0 here. Now, fourth. See, this is minus 4 plus 7 minus 3, which is equal to minus 4 and minus 3 adds up to minus 7 plus 7, which is equal to 0. We are adding these two like signs. So, and giving minus sign here. So, we are getting 0 in all the rows. Now, come to diagonal. Whether diagonal is also same number 0 we are going to check. Let us see this diagonal numbers 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3, which is equal to 5 minus 2, plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, which is equal to 5 minus, adding the like sign numbers, which gives you 0. So diagonal 1 over. Now we are adding this part. Okay. 0 minus 2 minus 4. What is that? 0. Diagonal 1. Diagonal 2. 0 minus plus of minus 2 plus of minus 4, which is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 4, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, which is equal to minus 6. See, we are getting only one minus 6 in the diagonal 2. Okay, this is diagonal 1. We got all zeros in all the row addition, all the column addition, and in diagonal also. But in this diagonal, we got minus 6. So it is not a magical square. So let us see this square and check whether it is magical or not. Okay. Shall we add this row wise? 1 plus of minus 10 plus 0. This is equal to 1 minus plus into minus minus 10, which is equal to minus 9. Similarly, 4 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 2, which is equal to like signs. We need to add all the numbers and give the sign here. Same sign. What is the like sign here? Minus only. So minus 4 plus 3 plus 2 will give you 9 only. Now minus 6 plus 4 plus of minus 7, which is equal to minus 6 plus 4 plus into minus is minus 7. Add these two numbers. Minus 13 plus 4 gives you minus 9. See, bigger number is minus 13. So if you subtract 4 from minus 13, answer is 9 with the negative sign. So minus 9. We got minus 9 for all the rows. Now we are going to do column. So column, first column, 1 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 6, which is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 6. See, unlike signs. So I am putting minus sign here, which is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 6. We need to add. If we see like signs, we need to add the two numbers. So 10, which is equal to minus 9. Again, we will do this. 10 minus 10 plus of minus 3. We are adding. That's why I am putting plus. Which is minus 10 minus 3 plus 4, which is equal to minus 13. Adding like signs, plus 4. This is minus 9. Now, third column, 0 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 7 equal to 0 minus 2 minus 7. See, plus into minus, minus 7, which is equal to adding like signs, minus 9. So we got all the rows minus 9, all the columns minus 9. Now what we need to do? We are going to check whether the diagonals are same. See, diagonal 1. Consider this as diagonal 1. Diagonal 1 gives you 1 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 7 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 7, which is equal to 1 minus 10. We are going to subtract minus 9. See, 1 minus 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Bigger number is 10. So its sign is minus. So we are having minus 9 here. Now we will do diagonal 2. What is diagonal 2? This is diagonal 2. Let us add this. Minus 6 plus of minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to minus 6 minus 3. No need to add 0. So, see, like signs. We have like signs here. So, we need to add this. If you add, what will come? 9. Sign is minus. See, in this second subdivision, we got our answers, all our answers row wise, column wise addition, diagonal wise, both diagonal wise addition. We got minus 9 is our answer. So, this is our magical square. Magical square. 8th question. Verify A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. See, we know that minus into minus always gives you addition only. So, let's see with the numbers here. Here A is 118. So, 118 minus of minus 125. See, I'm just writing in the place of A 118, in the place of B 125, which is equal to, similarly here 118 plus 125, A plus B. A plus B, B value. So, we know minus into minus is plus only. So, 118 plus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125. It is equal only. If we add both the sides, what will get? 243 equal to 243. Equal only. Similarly, with other numbers in 4th subdivision I am taking. So, 28. Here A is 28 minus of minus 11 equal to 28 plus 11. See here, 28 minus into minus plus 11 equal to 28 plus 11. This gives you both the sides, left hand side 39, right hand side also 39. So, this is verified. It is equal. Both are equal. Now, in 9th question, we are going to compare the two different same numbers only, but with the different signs, with the different operations they have given. We are going to compare whether it is greater than or less than or equal. Let's see. Let us begin with this. A minus 8 minus, see, plus of minus, plus into minus is minus 4. It gives you, we need to add like signs, no? So, minus 12. Here, minus 8 plus 4. Plus 4. So, here, unlike signs. So, what we need to do? We need to subtract. If we subtract 4 from 8, what you will get? 4. But the bigger number sign is negative. So, put minus here. In negative side, bigger numbers are smaller and smaller numbers are bigger in a number line. If you consider a number line, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See, minus 1 is bigger than minus 3. Okay. So, here this is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. Okay. But with the sign, it is smaller. So, this minus 2, this operation is smaller than this operation. Because minus 4 is bigger than minus 12. Keep it in mind. In negative side, always bigger number is smaller. Negative bigger number is smaller. Negative smaller number is bigger. Now, this one. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. We need to add these two things. So, just give 7. If we add these two, what we will get? Minus 22, right? So, see, positive, negative. We need to subtract. So, 22 minus 7 gives you 15. But negative 15 because bigger number here is 22. We need to give this sign alone. Now, 15 minus 8 minus 9 plus into minus minus. Add the like signs. 15, 8 plus 9 gives you 17, minus 17. Add these two numbers, what we will get? Subtract. See, 15 minus 17. So, 17 minus 15 gives us 2, but bigger is 17. So, its sign is negative. So negative 2. Compare these two. Here also minus 15 and minus 2. Which is bigger? Minus 2 is bigger. So this is lesser than. So minus 15 is less than minus 2. So this operation is less than this operation. Now come to D. 39 minus 24 minus 15. Do this. 39 which is equal to 39. Add these two like signs, no? If we add, what we will get? 9, 3, 39. This is equal to 0. Now 36 minus 52 plus 36. Like sign, addition. Unlike sign, subtract, negative sign. So this gives us 36 plus 36. We need to add the like signs. If we add like signs, what will come? 2, 72, right? 72 minus 52. This gives us 52 minus 20, 72 minus 52 is 20. 0, 20. Which is bigger? 20 is bigger. So this operation is less than this operation. E. If we add, what we will get? It is direct addition only. Minus 231. If you add these two like sign numbers, we are going to add. This gives us 130. Unlike signs, we are going to subtract. If we subtract, what we will get? First, this is the bigger number, so I am giving bigger number sign here. 101. Okay. Now here minus 399. Add the like signs first. If we add like signs, what will come? 240, which is equal to unlike signs subtraction. So minus bigger number is 399. So I am giving bigger number sign 159. This is the smaller number and this is the bigger number. But in negative, and if we are dealing with the negative signs, smaller number is biggest. So this is bigger than this one. So this operation is bigger than this one. See, I left some problems from 8 and 9 for you to do. And you please do and leave your answer in comment section. 10th question. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Subdivision 1 of 10th question. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? See, in the monkey problem, first subdivision deals with he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps. See, monkey is in the first stair. Water is in the 9th stair only. So he wants to come and drink this water. But he is a monkey. He will always hip hop like that. He jumps from here and go back to here like that. So according to your problem, what they are telling? He jumps 3 steps down. Then suddenly he will go back 2 steps back. Okay. So let us do. And the question is, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? If he does the same thing again and again. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps up. Let us see. See, from here, he jumps 3 steps down. So 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Down. He jumped. Okay. This is first thing over. What from here? He jumps back 2 steps. 1, 2. Again he comes to second step in the upward position. What he is doing from here, he is again jumps down to 5th step, because 3 steps down, always 3 steps down, and going up is 2 steps. So from here, what is he doing? 2 steps. what he will do from here? He will do jump again. Down. 1, 2, 3. Come to the 6th stair. From 6, he will again go back 2 steps. Now from 4th step, he will again do jumps. Come to 7th step. Jumps back. Again 2 steps. Now what he will do from here? From 6, he will come. Jumps down like this. Again he will go like this. Top. What he will do? 1, 2, 3. Finally, he come to the 9th step. See here. The question is, after these many jumps, he reached his 9th step. So the question here is, in how many steps will he reach the water level? In how many steps he reached? 1, 2 jumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 jumps. He made 11 jumps to reach his 9th stair to drink water. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. In every move, in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? So, 11 jumps he made to drink water. Now, he decided to go back. But here also he is doing jumps again. 4 jumps up, okay, and 2 jumps down. In how many steps will he reach the top step? So we will do. So 4 steps. Now monkey is here. He drank water and he decided to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up jump, okay. Now from here he will do backward jump again. Come to 7th place, 7th stair. So he is here. Now what he will do? Again jumping up like this. Top jump. Now from here he will do backward jump. Okay. Now from this place, he will jump, jump, jump. He reached his top stair. So how many jumps he made here? Let us count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps he made to reach the top. So in first subdivision, he made 11 jumps. This is our answer. Third subdivision. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following numbers. A and B. We can solve this. In A, the sum -8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? Now the subdivision 3 deals with the subdivision 1 and 2 together in the question. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by the positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by complete the following. What we have to complete? -3. Just add all these things. -3. See, down means -3. Up means +2. Steps. These are all steps. Again, -3. +2. -3 +2. 7 and 8. -3 +2. 9 and 10. Minus 3 plus 2. Here minus 3. Which is equal to, if you add all this, you will get minus 8. Do it yourself. Similarly, we will add all the like signs. See? How many negative 3's are there? 6, right? So 6 times 3 is, if you add, it will give you minus 18. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 gives us 10, which is equal to minus 8. If we do addition here also like that, upward means positive, right? 4 minus 2 plus 4. In third jump, 4 moves. Minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to, add the like numbers. So like signs. So 3 times 4, 12. Now come to negatives. Minus 4, which is equal to positive 8. Here we got negative 8 and here we got positive 8. The question is, in A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? Minus 8 represents going down. So plus 8 represents going up by 8 steps. That's all. Thank you.